Assalamualaikum class. Let's start our work with the name of Allah. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today we will discuss chapter 1 matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.5, question number 4, 5 and 6. Question number 4 is, if A matrix 1, 2, 4, 6 and B matrix 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, then verify A multiplied by adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A multiplied by A equals to determinant of A multiplied by identity matrix. First of all, we will take adjoint of A. For that, the diagonal values will be interchanged. That will become 6 and 1, and non-diagonal values will change their sign and it will become minus 2 and minus 4. Then we will take determinant of matrix A, that can be calculated as A determinant is equal to first row 1 2, second row 4 6. First diagonal will be multiplied 1 multiplied by 6 and non-diagonals will be multiplied 4 multiplied by 2, and in between them there is a sign of subtraction. So 1 multiplied by 6 is 6 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So the value of determinant A is minus 2. Next, now according to the equation, A is multiplied by adjoint of A. So A matrix is 1, 2, first row, 4, 6, second row. Adjoint of A is 6 minus 2, first row, minus 4, 1, second row. So for multiplication, first row will be multiplied by first column and first row will be multiplied by second column. So in the first line, 1 is multiplied by 6 and 2 is multiplied by minus 4. Now first row is multiplied by second column. In the first line, 1 multiplied by minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Now in the second line, the second row is multiplied by first column, that is 4 multiplied by 6 plus 6 multiplied by minus 4. Now second row is multiplied by second column, 4 multiplied by minus 2 plus 6 multiplied by 1. So the matrix will become 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, 2 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 8, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, 6 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 24, 1 multiplied by minus 2 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 4 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 8 and 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. So the matrix will become 6 minus 8, 2 minus 2 in the first row, 24 minus 24 and minus 8 plus 6 in the second row. 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 24 minus 24 is equal to 0 and minus 8 plus 6 is equal to minus 2. So the answer of A multiplied by adjoint of A is minus 2, 0 and 0 minus 2. Now adjoint of A is multiplied by A. The value of adjoint of A is 6 minus 2 minus 4 1, and A is first row 1 2 and second row 4 6. Same rule we will apply for the multiplication. First row will be multiplied by first column. In the first line, 6 multiplied by 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 4. Then first row is multiplied by second column. In first line, 6 multiplied by 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by 6. Second row will be multiplied by first column, minus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 4. Second row will be multiplied by second column. In second line, minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 6. So the equation of the matrix will become 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, minus 2 multiplied by 4 is minus 8, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, plus minus 2 multiplied by 6 is minus 12, so plus minus is minus. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, as there is a negative sign, so minus 4 multiplied by 1 will become minus 4, plus 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8, and 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. So the equation will become 6 minus 8, 12 minus 2 first row, minus 4 plus 4, minus 8 plus 6 second row. 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 12 minus 12 is 0, minus 4 plus 4 is 0, minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. So this is the second equation. Third equation is determinant of A multiplied by identity matrix. Determinant of A is -2 and identity matrix is equal to 1 0 first row and 0 1 second row. So -2 is multiplied with the identity matrix, so it will become -2 multiplied by 1, -2 multiplied by 0, -2 multiplied by 0 second row, -2 multiplied by 1 second row. So the equation will become -2 0 0 -2. So here from the equation 1, 2 and 3, the result will be A multiplied by adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A multiplied by A is equal to determinant of A multiplied by identity matrix, as three of these equations will give you the same answer, so these are equal, and that is -2 0 in the first row and 0 -2 in the second row. Question number 5 is determine whether the given matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other or not. For finding out the multiplicative inverse, the matrix is given. A matrix is 3 5 in the first row, 4 7 in the second row, and B matrix 7 -5 in the first row, -4 3 in the second row. For finding out the multiplicative inverse, find out the product of AB. So A matrix is 3 5 4 7 and B matrix is 7 -5 -4 3. Following the rules of multiplication, the first row will be multiplied by first column in first line, so 3 multiplied by 7 plus 5 multiplied by -4. Then first row will be multiplied by second column in the first line, 3 multiplied by -5, 5 multiplied by 3. Now second row is multiplied by the first column, that will be 4 multiplied by 7 plus 7 multiplied by -4, and second row will be multiplied by second column in second line, 4 multiplied by -5 plus 7 multiplied by 3. So the equation will become 21 -20 -15 plus 15 in first row, 28 -28 and -20 plus 21 in second row. So 21 -20 is 1, -15 plus 15 will be cancelled with each other, so it will give you 0. 28 -28 is 0 and -20 plus 21 is equal to 1. So this equation is equal to identity matrix. So hence the given matrices are the multiplicative inverse of each other. Question number 5. Second part, A matrix is 1 2 in first row, 2 3 in second row, -3 2 in first row of B matrix, and 2 and -1 in the second row of B matrix. So finding out the product AB, 1 2 2 3 -3 2 and 2 -1 will be multiplied with each other. Following the rules of multiplication, first row will be multiplied by first column in the first line, so 1 multiplied by -3 plus 2 multiplied by 2. Then first row will be multiplied by second column, that will become 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by -1. Second row will be multiplied by first column in the second line, so 2 multiplied by -3 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Second row will be multiplied by second column in the second line, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by -1. So what will be the equation? 1 multiplied by 3 -3 is -3 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, so -3 plus 4. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus 2 multiplied by -1 is -2. 2 -2, 2 multiplied by -3 is -6, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, so -6 plus 6, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 3 multiplied by -1 is -3, so the equation will be 4 -3. So here is the equation: -3 plus 4, 2 -2 in the first row, -6 plus 6 and 4 -3 in the second row. So 3 plus -3 plus 4 is 1, 2 -2 is 0, -6 plus 6 is 0, 4 -3 is 1, so it is equal to identity. So hence the given matrix are multiplicative inverse of each other. Question number 6 is, if A matrix and B matrix and D matrix are given to you, then you have to verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. For that, first of all, Calculate B inverse. What is B inverse? B inverse is equal to adjoint of B over determinant of B. Adjoint of B actually is the interchanging of the first diagonal, that will be -1 and -4, and non-diagonal sign will be changed, it will become 2 and -1. Then determinant of B, first diagonal will be multiplied -4 multiplied by -1, then minus sign, then non-diagonals will be multiplied 1 multiplied by -2. -4 multiplied by 1 is 4, -1 multiplied by 2 is -2, so 4 minus minus is plus, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now B inverse is equal to adjoint of B over determinant of B. So adjoint of B was -1 2 first row, -1 -4 second row over 6. So this is the first equation. Similarly, calculate A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. So adjoint of A is 2 0 first row and 1 4 second row, and determinant of A is first diagonal 4 multiplied by 2, non-diagonals will be multiplied -1 multiplied by 0, so equation will become 4 multiplied by 2 minus into -1 multiplied by 0. 4 into 2 is 8, minus minus is plus, and 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, so 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Replacing it in the equation, A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. Adjoint of A is 2 0 in the first row, 1 4 in the second row over 8. So this is equation B. Then solving the left hand side, that was A B inverse. So for that, first of all, find out the product of A B. 4 0 first row, -1 2 second row, -4 -2 first row, 1 -1 second row. Following the rules of multiplication, first row will be multiplied by first column and second column in the first line. 4 multiplied by -4 plus 0 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by -2 plus 0 multiplied by -1. Now second row will be multiplied by first column and second column in the second line. -1 multiplied by -4 plus 2 multiplied by 1, -1 multiplied by -2 plus 2 multiplied by -1. So the matrix will be 4 into 4 is 16, so it will become -16. 0 into 1 is 0. 4 into -2 is -8. 0 into -1 is 0. -1 into -4 is 4. So 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2, and 2 multiplied by -1 is -2. So the equation will become -16 -8 in the first row and 6 and 0 in the second row. Now calculate AB inverse. AB inverse is equal to adjoint of AB over determinant of AB. Adjoint of AB means interchanging of first diagonal, that will be 0 and 16, and non-diagonal sign will be changed, that will be 8 and -6. So 0 8 in the first row, -6 and -16 in the second row. So determinant of AB is -16 -8. 6 0 -16 will be multiplied by 0, -6 multiplied by -8. So 16 multiplied by 0 is 0, -6 multiplied by -8 is -48, minus minus is plus, so it is equal to 48. Replacing AB inverse, that is equal to adjoint of AB over determinant of AB, it will become 0 8 first row -6 over -16 over 48. So we can write it like 0 divided by 48, 8 divided by 48, -6 divided by 48, -16 divided by 48. 0 will remain same because 0 divided by something is equal to 0. 1 divided by 6 is 8 divided by 6 is 48. 6 divided by 8 is 48. 16 divided by 3 is 48. So 0 1 by 6 -1 by 8 -1 by 3 is the answer of left hand side. For right hand side, B inverse A inverse, multiply both the terms. So it will become -1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1, -1 multiplied by 0 2 multiplied by 4, -1 multiplied by 2 plus -4 multiplied by 1, -1 multiplied by 0 -4 multiplied by 4, and 6 multiplied by 8 48. So it will become minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 0 plus 8 and 0 minus 16 over 48, 0 divided by 48 minus 6 divided by 48, 8 divided by 48 minus 16 divided by 48. So it will become 0. 8 divided by 6 is 48, 1 by 6 minus 6 divided by 48 is minus 1 by 8, and 16 divided by 3 is 48, so it will become minus 1 by 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, so hence it is proved.